and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Xiaomi Smart Camera 2i. A couple of years ago, Xiaomi launched their very first line of smart security cameras, and these cameras are very convenient and affordable. With traditional CCTV cameras, you need to do special wiring for them, you need to buy a DVR, you need to buy a monitor, a hard disk, and it's a full process if you want to set up a CCTV camera. But with these smart security cameras, that process is eliminated and it's a very convenient process. Let me tell you how. All you need is a power source, a Wi-Fi network and a smartphone and you will be good to go. Now Xiaomi has launched an upgrade to the 360-degree camera. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Camera 2i and let's talk about it. First up, as I said, the pairing process is very simple. Inside the box, you'll get the camera, the power brick and the USB cable as well. You just need to connect this camera to a power outlet, then go to your smartphone and download the Xiaomi Home app. This app is available on iOS as well as Android, so you are sorted over there. After you download the app, sign in with your Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can create one and then add a device. Then follow the on-screen instructions and within a couple of minutes, your camera will be set up and you will be able to see the live feed of the camera. Talking about the live feed, how is the video quality? So this is a 1080p camera. You do get 1080p video recording with this camera and the video quality is really good. So if you want to zoom into the footage, you can easily do that. And for the price of this camera, the video quality is excellent. You also get night vision over here. So in extreme dark conditions, you can still see your footage because of night vision, and night vision works really well and it is automatically triggered. It's not like you'll have to manually switch it on and off, it will be automatically triggered. Let me quickly have a sip of chai. Now this is a 360-degree camera. It can rotate and you can get a 360-degree view with this camera. Now one thing over here is that it will not automatically rotate. You will have to manually rotate the camera. Inside the application you get a joystick for each camera and using that joystick you can manually rotate the camera. So you cannot set it for automatic rotation and I feel that Xiaomi should have added that feature with this camera. Like with the first one it was absent, but with this one it is absent as well. So it feels like a missed opportunity. But anyway, you can rotate the camera and basically get a 360-degree view of your surroundings. This is a smart camera as well, so it has AI-based motion detection and you can use it in various scenarios. So for example, if the camera is set up in this studio, I will turn on AI motion detection for nighttime, and if someone walks into the studio during nighttime, I will get a notification on my smartphone. So it's extremely helpful and from a security standpoint, it is very convenient. Now I know that you guys might be wondering, what about video recording? First up, you get a micro SD card slot inside the camera itself. You can use a micro SD card and record the footage over there. You can also use a NAS or network attached storage. So basically if you want a backup of your footage, you can use a NAS or network attached storage, which again is very convenient and easy to use. Xiaomi is also providing free cloud storage up to 7 days with this camera. Now this cloud storage is for motion detection. So whenever a motion is detected, that clip will be saved for free on Xiaomi's cloud for 7 days. Now these smart cameras also have two-way calling. So you can potentially use the cameras for calling as well. That again is a convenient feature. Now one thing that I do not like with this camera is that it still uses a micro USB port. I would have loved to see USB Type-C over here. That would have been excellent. Now these cameras can be wall mounted as well. You do get a bracket inside the box itself. Using that bracket you can wall mount these cameras and it works in any orientation. You can put it right side up or upside down as well and it works really well. Now this time around Xiaomi is also launching a Windows application for these cameras. So you can download the Windows application and watch the live feed of your cameras. I'm glad to say that Xiaomi has launched the Windows application and it is cross compatible with other cameras